Could you give some of the use cases for blockchain and open API or open banking in Technosphere's perspective? Like how Technosphere uses them?
Both of them actually, open API and blockchain, as new it is for the world, it is equally new to the Technospire's journey as well. In terms of blockchain, what we are looking at right now, so the whole of our fintech platform, Finex 360 degree, that we have put together for the last mile, for it's basically a wholesome banking and payment solution which has been put up over the past 2 years. We are looking forward to migrate the core ledger technology of Finex 360 into a blockchain architecture. So that is what we would achieve. So that would be our use case, wherein the whole storage of the transactions, people's account, their personal information and so on within Finex system would be riding over a blockchain architecture. So this is a use case on our current ongoing product rollout. This is around blockchain. On Open API, I guess again around the same product, Finex 360 degree, we built the whole solution as a very modular and scalable solution from the day one. So each and every module of our platform, be it the lean banking module, be it the merchant payments subsystem, be it the switch which aggregates all the value-added services and the payments ecosystem, all these modules extend open APIs. What we are doing today is we are exposing all these open APIs on multiple marketplaces, wherein a bank can consume on one end and a consumer can use it on the other end. So these are our, I would say, few early use cases on open banking and blockchain. Outside of this, given that we have already gathered some expertise on blockchain and open API, we are working a couple of use cases in the healthcare space as well, which we would share in the coming days.